When I was younger, I used to work as a labourer doing carpentry, and I wanted to get into the trade. And I tried electrics, and it was like my favourite one out of all of them I've tried. But the staff are brilliant here, or electrical, and the staff all round, they've all been very polite. They've all been amazing.
I think them having 15, 20 years on site, they're not just teaching you off a book, they're getting their experiences to help you learn as well.
They're great at what they do. They know their stuff, and if they're telling you something, you should listen because they know it and they're just passing on their knowledge to you. You could always definitely speak to them about anything, any concerns. I like the workshop a lot more. Actually coming in and enjoying the workshop is more a personal favourite.
We've learned like metal conduit, cable tray, PVC conduit, like twin and earth cable, all the different cables.
Wiring, light sockets, plug sockets, the basic stuff.
We've done three-way lighting, two-way lighting, radial circuits, ring final circuits.
Even it even reflects on site, it does show and it really does help. More recently we just completed a two-way lighting switch and then turned it into a three-way lighting switch, and once you complete it and you've tested it, you can test if all the three switches work on a certain amount of lights, and it made me happy that I've done it, I've completed it and it all works. It really makes yourself proud of your work you've done.